how to change your display name in Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change your display name in your Google Meet? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and then head over to the nine dots and then tap on Meet. Now, here go to your profile icon in the top right and you'll need to tap on Manage Your Account. So you need to change your Google account's name itself to change your display name in your Google Meet. So you'll need to go to Personal Info in the left hand side and then go to Name, and then you need to change your name from here. So whatever name that you put in your Google account will be your display name in your Google Meet. So that's it. It's as simple as that to change your name in your Google account and thus your Google Meet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.